How to buy FiveSs token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy the token, don't forget to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on MEXC, and I will show you how to buy this token on your MEXC account. Now first of all, open your MEXC account. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your token and fund your account, with some USDT. After that, go to search bar and type FiveSs, and as you can see, click on this pair. Now after that, wait a few seconds to load this page. Now as you can see, you can buy this token on your account. So click on limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be able to pay of that token on your wallet, of that USDT. Now after that, click on buy FiveSs. Now if you prefer to buy with market option, you can click on market and just drag this to set how much percentage you're going to use of the USDT in order to use it to buy this token. So click on buy FiveSs. So this is how to buy FiveSs token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.